idea what I was going to vlog about, but DJ there asked me some questions about they asked me what?
What is your favorite cartoon
Back in my days, yeah, boy, right? Back in my days. Yeah. But anyway, I decided, alright, let me test out the phone holder that I got from Miss Right. Big up yourself. Yeah, and it looks good. Look good, not what DJ? Alright, so I was telling him about some cartoons back in my day. So I said Silverhawk, Thundercats, Tiger Sharks, Jason the Wheel Warriors, Karate Cat. See? And then they had like little kid Galaxy Rangers. So you need to check out them cartoons. And then what I used to watch again? There's this one with this Wildfire. And then later on now, you know Johnny Bravo? What, bro? Hear me, I say, I'm gonna make you a cartoon play watch list. Yeah. I'm gonna make you a cartoon watch list so you can get to watch some real proper cartoon. You get me? Yeah. But anyway, the phone holder go on. Road bumpy, but it a wall up still. As far as I may say. Yeah, so I tell this young boy, I say I got this phone holder from a subscriber. What you say me I get? Fan mail. Youth. So me I get fan mail, like that means say.
That means you get sponsored by a company.
My son gets sponsored by a company. So things are going for your father. Oh yeah, sad. And you know that this is not the only thing though. Got a professional mic too, like one that filters out wind and so forth. Yeah. So like when I'm going on the road, you know, whatever it is on the road, then I can use that. But I don't test it out yet. Actually, this is the first time I'm using this. The holder. Alright, so I'm showing how I go on. So I'm actually I drop pops at school. Yo, I like this. I like this for me. Yeah, I like it. Alright, look, Papa. That go on? That go on, no? Yeah, man. So I drop him at school. But I say, I'm happy say today or Friday. I go and go sleep. I don't even know nothing go sign up. No sleeping. Pure game. Which cartoon you like, by the way?
I know cartoon.
Yeah, you know watch cartoon?
Cartoon that with Tom and Jerry.
Okay.
Because Jerry are Tom thinking smarter than Jerry.
So you legit prefer you legit like watching Tom and Jerry? Alright, that's cool. Right, don't come out, I'm going to turn first. Yo, come. Yo, right down here is crazy in the mornings, you know, I swear. I bet I'm just make you go on as a DJ. I don't.
Yes, that's
Yeah, man, I like you come out, you know. Man, I like you come out on this side, but let's see if we can do it real quick.
like if somewhere.
Yeah, hold on. Wait. Alright, go. Alright, later, have a good day. Alright, love you. Wait, don't tell me say you love me. Hey, boy. Oh, ramp with me, now, boy. Hey, alright, how you feel like? Alright, Papa. Come on, I can't. Boy, say, boy, right. Ramp with me now. And tell them, say, me have up my picture. If my kids not show me love, I am the father. Hold on there. Them parents, I don't know, so them move like they don't have no sense. So the man say, puss and dog don't have the same luck. Yeah, anyway, inside joke. But yeah, you have to focus in the school zone because them kids are just run out in the road. But as I was saying, I don't know about any other parent. Watch out. Jesus, hold on. See if I can capture some of my madness I couldn't see. Yup, right in front of me. Mad people. Yeah. But as I was saying, you know what, I could not go and see what I go on the road, right? Yeah. If my kids don't show me love, I vex, I have them up, but I tell them, say I have them up. Yeah, ram with love, play with it. You don't tell me what I want, I mean, that they love you, yeah. I'm tell them too. You know, a lot of us grew up in an era where it's either only our mother show us certain levels of affection. I try to set that something I could so you can see. Hold on. Yeah. Right. Only we mother show a certain level of affection, or we not really show, or not even our fathers, we not get that type of affection from our parents. Rub your head. Yeah man, hey boy. Hey girl, come here. Yeah. And you know, but you know, sit down and tell your kids, say you love them. Come here, I love you, I'm proud of you. For the young ladies, you know, the fathers, I tell the daughters, say them beautiful. Don't wait until they are older where they have to wait on somebody else to tell them, or they feel like they need to wait on somebody else to tell them that they are beautiful. You understand me? Yeah. Tell them. Yo, watch what I'm going on right now. So yo, may I tell you, taxi man, watch out. Jesus Christopher. Beer, mad people. Oh man, watch out. May I tell you? Me focusing on man. But anyway, yeah. Tell the kids them say you love them. Yeah man. You first. Tell the kids you love them. And another thing, like having a good relationship with your kids is not up to the kids. Pitney, and then we do some stuff and then we make you upset. But you cannot have them up in your heart where you don't speak to them or you not deal with them. It is up to you as a parent, especially fathers may I talk to you know. See it? Accident. Oh boy. May I talk to you now, right? It is up to you to ensure that you have that good relationship with your kids. Yeah? You start that. You ensure that happens wherein you guys have a good relationship. You initiate it. Talk to them. They do something and get you upset, sit them down and let them know what they did and how it make you feel. And how you expect them to operate moving forward. You understand? Yeah man. And I hear some people say, yes, tell them Mr. Green, fathers them, but here what now? We hear about daddy-daughter relationships and issues. And we know about absentee father in the life, the effect of it in the lives of our boys. But what we not talk about is is mommy-daughter issues, absence of mothers in the lives of their daughters, and the implication that it has on their daughters as it relates to personal development and their future relationships, whether intimate or whether intimate or professional. You understand? These things, they affect them, but we don't really talk about the mommy-daughter and mommy-son relationships to the absence, because life is about balance, you know. And no matter what we do and what we say, we can't go around certain things. Life is about balance, so it takes both parents, sensible parents, because we know the biological part of it don't mean none. You understand? Because you have some parents who you better off for the kids for them not to be in their lives. But we're talking about sensible parents, it takes two, because it's balance. You understand? Yeah, man and woman, we are not the same, we're different, we think different, we look different, we act different, we reason different. So when I say, hey boy, there are 2 bucks I want, you know, we're not saying that, because we realize that beating no grow kids, and although we grow up and beat still, but it's a different generation. You know, it's a different generation, and what would work for us and would apply to us in our time, it's different for these kids. You know, but the point is this: somebody has to be there to show a different understanding of something, or a different way to look at it, a different way to administer punishment. Cause yeah, you would forget punishment, and that's just my personal belief. Punishment does not mean beating, right? But I think we should teach our children that they will be held accountable for things that they do, you know, or things that they don't do, or things that they do wrong. Then they'll be held accountable for these things, right? But yeah, man, the world that we live in right now, we see more and more where our children are being influenced by negative, morally destructive, and in terms of values, destructive music and people via social media. People who call themselves influencers, and they are, but what are they influencing our kids to do? You understand? You as a parent, you have anyway, yeah, what are they influencing our kids to do? They are influencing our kids to do a lot of nonsense, and it is up to us as the parents to ensure that we try our best to instill good morals, values, and attitudes in our children. Get some gas, you know. Yeah, it is imperative that we do that. Yeah, man, no joke. Hold on, let me see what I'm going on, so. Yeah, I have to kind of focus on what I'm going on, because the taxi man is crazy. But yeah, we as parents, and even if you're not a parent, but you're a big sister, big brother, uncle, we have to teach our kids what it is that they need to learn as it relates to good behavior, principles, and morals. Right now we see what going on in our society, you know, a peer problem, and we think it start from the home. We can blame everybody, blame the government, blame this, blame school, blame that, but guess what? It start from the home. What you instill in your kids, you know. Remember when we were going to school, I keep saying we, but you know, for many of us, Sunday school was one of the places where you had to go. Even if your parents don't go, you have to go to Sunday school. And when you go to Sunday school, you have to come back and tell your parents what happened in Sunday school. Yeah. Morning, 5,090.
Cash.
Yeah. So I get some gas. I hope the outside nice. The outside nice, no problem. Yeah. But yeah, we have to go Sunday school. See it? Sure enough. We have to go Sunday school and you have to come back and tell your parents what go on at Sunday school. No, me have a story for them or tell them what pastor say. You know problem but what you learn at Sunday school? You learn about love. You learn about receiving, how to receive love, how to show love. You learn about discipline, good behavior, manners. You understand? You learn about all of those things. Yeah, man. And for many of the youth who are going to church, maybe they're not getting that type of thing at home. You understand? They're not getting that at home. So, yes, my general. They're not getting that at home. But they go to church and, they get some semblance of what is expected. Yeah. But, I tell you, my peeps, just continue to stay vigilant, our parents, future parents, and as I say, you don't have to be a biological parent, just be vigilant with your kids, and try to instill good morals and values and principles in them, and show them the right. Don't facilitate nonsense. If they do something wrong, hold them accountable. That means if you kill them and murder them and beat them up, but if they're wrong, hold them accountable and make them know so they're wrong. And if a punishment is supposed to be meted out, then you administer that. Whether you're going to take away the game, you're going to take away the electronic device. Yeah, you understand? Oftentimes we say, oh, you have to be a friend to your child. Yes, but at the same time, you must be a parent. You cannot sacrifice one for the other. Continue being a parent and ensure that you explain to your kids why is it that this happened. And my son, if I'm going to punish him for anything, we reason out the punishment before we even get to there. Why him do? Why him things supposed to happen? And why it happened? Yeah. So you're never going to be happy about the thing punished, but guess what? If I even am subconscious, so I guess I feel responsibility, I feel accountability. Yeah, you understand? So if you don't want to get in no problem, just do the right thing. Simple as that. Just do the right thing. Alright, on the Barnett Street. Yeah, long time I didn't see Barnett Street, no. But yeah, it's a blessed day. Good to be alive. This vlog is just a freestyle vlog. Talking about a little bit of everything, but it's about really testing out my little gadget here, which I am really enjoying, because I've never done a vlog like this, where getting footage off the road and just talking and comfortable, both hands on the wheel and thing, yeah. So I'm really enjoying this. You know what I mean? But gentle folks, as you go about your day, yeah man, just remember that we can't live for ourselves, and the young ones that are coming, they are very much misguided. Even though we don't live in a society anymore where we can freely talk to other people's kids, the ones that you can speak to, whether your family members or your own or so forth, just try and instill some good morals and so forth in them, And it's not a one-off thing where you can just say one thing and then you expect that it's going to work. We know it, but we were kids. You know, one of the issues with adults, we often operate like we don't remember our childhood self. Like we did just born big and responsible and all that. I remember say we used to get enough trouble, we get enough beating and them something. And a lot of times, you know what stresses out parents when you see yourself in your kids. Acknowledge you know say I see you done. You do the chat enough in a class, you used to tell enough lie. The back talk as the girl for the girl them sometimes them and their mother always have a little type of attitude. Something there. Yeah. You understand? When you see your kids, when you see yourself in your kids, don't get frustrated. Acknowledge it, man, and own it. Yeah. And reason with them and talk to them and show them the right way. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed my rambling, my talking on and on. Easy now, Mr. Taxi Man. You want me drive out on the road? Yo, we can't bother with them, you know. I swear if you follow them people, you mash up your car. Yeah. But anyways, guys, I'll catch you another time. As I said, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget like, subscribe, share. Do the right thing, okay?